Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on a DOOGEE Tab G6 Max. First of all, for our convenience, let's install the family link from the Google Play Store. So let's go to Google Play Store, open search field, then search for family link. Once you find this application by Google, tap install and wait until it's installed on your tablet, which should not take a lot of time. Okay, now we don't have to open it right away. Instead, we can go to settings, then scroll down to digital well-being and parental controls and open this section. Here we're gonna have to scroll down until we reach families. So now if you want to set up parental controls for a child that you are yet to add to your child's list, you're gonna have to tap set up parental controls for new or for another child, or if you already have a child linked with your account, you have to tap on their account right here, then tap continue as HUD or continue as you, and then allow family link to send you notifications. And now here you can adjust the digital well-being for your child. So you can adjust the Google Play restrictions, YouTube restrictions, Google search, and screen time, location settings, etc. And now we're gonna need to add their account to our tablet. Now let's check their email address. I guess it was right here. Okay, let's go to settings. Let's go to system. Then let's go to users, and then make sure to enable user switch and tap add user underneath your account. Tap next. Now let's enter the name of our child. Tap next. Okay. Now let's switch to our new user. Tap continue. Let's wait a moment. Okay, now we're gonna have to sign into their account by entering their email address. Tap in next, and then of course entering their password. Then choose yourself as a parent and wait until we are signed in to their account. Then you're gonna have to confirm your identity, for example using a notification or another way. If you would like another way, you can tap right here. Okay, in the following window, let's tap next. Then let's wait for their account to be prepared. And after that, we're gonna have to wait until the Google Play services are updated. Okay, now let's agree to Google services and tap accept. And now we're gonna be able to set up the parental controls on this device, so we can review the applications. We can enable or disable each application we have. Then tap next. Then we can review the YouTube settings and change the age availability. Then tap continue. Got it. Next. Then we're gonna have to set a PIN code for their account. Tap next and re-enter this security PIN code. And then we're gonna have to select the search engine for them. Then if you want to set up anything else, you can select all the rest of the settings right here, or just tap no thanks for now and finish setting up their account. Okay, and now you can tap let's go your child and give them their device. Now we can see their interface. So as you can see, the amount of applications is limited here. Now we can also go to parental controls. And as you can see, in order to change any of the settings right here, we have to enter the password to our main account. And that's basically it. So now if you want to switch back to your parent's account, you have to swipe down the control center, tap right here, and select your account right here. Then enter the password to your account, of course. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.